Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair, and it's car booty time, yay! So, we're going to start this time with a little look around the market. I was asked to do this, somebody commented, yes I've done it before, but it was a while ago. So, let's see what there is at the market this week.
Hi everyone, so today we're at the car boot sale. This is every Sunday here in San Fernando, so we're actually near to Holiday World, that's just over there. And what we're going to find here, basically, if you're from the UK, you'll know what a car boot sale is. Elsewhere, you would call this a flea market, I guess. So this is where you find all sorts of second-hand things, basically everything but the kitchen sink. And to be quite honest, occasionally down here, you might even find the kitchen sink. So come on, let's get down there and enjoy it. Old calculator.
Look at this, there's the microphone.
The microphone?
Pink microphone.
Oh, the Dalek microphone. We had some fun with one of them. Old sewing machine. Yeah, and the scale electrics.
Todo está funciona, amigos. Todo está de maravilla.
Oh, it's like a scale electrics wannabe.
Oh, look at this, there's
Y mira aquí esto. Este de moto. Este moto.
Okay.
Un drone.
I have no idea.
WL Toys, it's a toy.
Okay, it has a very small battery. HD camera. Where's the camera? There's no camera.
There is no camera.
It says HD camera?
It does say HD camera. So where's the camera?
There's no camera, right? Am I blind?
Yeah, I definitely don't see a camera. Even though it says like it's a HD camera, but where is it?
Lost the camera.
What's the camera? Yep. Oh, little coloured lights.
Like they do.
¿Ahora qué es?
Okay.
Sí, el problema no tiene la cámara, pero
No camera.
encender.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh,
Oh.
fancy.
Oh, like an LCD. This way.
Tiene la cámara.
Whoa.
Míralo, ahora funcionó.
No.
Mira, ahora.
No.
It won't lift up, but it won't lift up.
Oh, this one's gathering
Hay que
speed.
se echa volar.
No camera. Oh, it's like burning them jock straps.
What are they called?
Well, I think call them joss sticks, but usually I just call them jock straps. Oh my god.
It's not a sex toy.
Oh, it's not a sex toy, okay. Easy.
Que si de Guinea Ecuatorial, que si de.
Them bloody minions get everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. The world is full of minions. Oh,
The most eco-friendly gaming system I've ever saw.
yeah. Oh, you have to float it and get the rings onto
Yeah.
the...
Look at this, no batteries.
No, there's no buttons either. If it's €1, you should take that for the channel. Oh, you give it to Carlos.
For Lily.
For Lily, yeah. Quanto Esther? Uno? Uno? Yeah, €1. Shall we have it?
I'll have the camera on.
Okay. Yeah, we have this on the live stream tonight. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
That's for Carlos. Uh-huh. Oh, the printer's still here.
The printer, our good friend.
We must have...
Must tell the story to the people now.
Yeah, so this printer here has been here like since, well, the year dot really. I don't know why the guy keeps bringing it because it never sells and it must be heavy. You'd think that'd be in the basura by now, wouldn't you really? But anyway, the printer. You can guarantee that'll be here again next week. Or if we film again 3 months' time, it'll be here again, yeah? Yeah, these are not for me. Not my sort of computers, those. Core i5, God knows what it is. It's Core i5, being old, 7th generation. I mean, the thing with those is they're not like, yeah, but they're not like a standard HX motherboard in those. Not really what I would want. He probably wants too much for it, is a problem. But yeah, usable machine without a doubt. He must have eventually sold that games machine thing that he wanted 120 for.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Luke, the kitchen sink. Well, see? Oh, it's like a portable or a tablet.
Surface, it's a Microsoft one.
Oh!
Oh.
No, this is had it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This isn't doing anything.
No, that's not doing anything. Well, we said we might find everything but the kitchen sink, and I was clearly wrong because here's the kitchen sink. Oh, and an old an old valve radio, definitely worse to wear this thing. This has seen better days. Yeah. That's seen better days. Man, have you seen this? This is like something off Police Squad. Car number 6, car number 6, come in, come in. And then he says come in, he comes crashing through the door. I'll ask him what this is. What is this?
Radio for the board.
For the
What? Radio for the board.
radio for the
What?
boat.
Radio for the board.
It's like something off. Do you remember this TV program? Police Squad. I mean, obviously, boat radio. Is it free? Is it for free? Is it gratis? What, how much is that thing? 75. Yeah, it's too much for something for fun. Yeah, it's one of them. Oh my God, Frankenstein's multimeter. Frankenstein's multimeter. As usual, the glass is broken. Oh, reverse. That means it reads backwards. Mad. Is that like a Polaroid?
I think it is a Polaroid.
It says Kodak.
Instant camera, must be some Polaroid thing.
Isn't like Kodak a different brand though than Polaroid?
I have no idea.
Oh. Oh, exactly, yeah. Oh.
Use this as a test tone, a really loud test tone.
You could, couldn't you? Yeah. It's off a fire engine or something. Look, you can say smile.
Oh, jetzt habt ihr durch die Mini-Kameras.
See, see.
Die Mini-Kameras.
Hi, kid. Huh?
Ay, die Senor.
Originale oder?
But still 4K, 60 frames per second. We use these when we're filming on covers, Gran Canaria uncovers. Because nobody notices these things.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, how you doing?
How are we? Are
Yeah.
we good?
Good,
Are we
good,
good?
good.
Oh, look at this. He's doing photographs of us. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. We're making some video for the YouTube channel, so I'm making a video just about the second-hand market. I've done it before. About every 6 months I put a video. This is the second-hand market. El Rastro. Yeah, gasoline generator. 6,500 whatevers. With the car battery. Morning.
Good morning.
You good? You good, John?
Not too bad, mate, yeah.
Anything interesting?
No, not at all. Not at all, really.
Oh, you have some old computers.
Well, there you are.
Oh.
I don't know anything about them, do you?
The zip drive. It's an old one. Okay. I only have 90 this week. I can't give you the 10 next week.
10 next week, no problem.
Yeah, that's what I have.
No problem.
Yeah. I think I use the other money for breakfast. Okay, I'll leave them here. I'll come get the trolley off Jimmy, yeah? Yeah, all right, cheers. And thank you for finding some different ones.
I try my best.
You've done well, you've done well. Ask you how much it is, and then you see. I'm not sure whose stand this is, it's this guy's. Hey, Jimmy, whose is this stand?
That's what it is.
Oh, it's them over there, is it?
Yeah, that one other thing.
Over there.
Yeah, he's gonna speak so.
Sorry? Okay. ¿Cuánto este? Oh, 10. You want más barato? Oh, I'll ask him. ¿Cinco?
Vale.
Right, 5. But I've spent all my money.
Okay.
5, okay, gracias.
Oh, look at this. You want to go next year for the carnival as a police officer?
Oh, police officer outfit. Yeah?
I think, right?
Looks like it. Yeah. Yep. The things you can find here. Video camera. Canon.
Oh, this looks like a Super 8.
It's a Canon Cano sound. Yeah, with a microphone.
Killed for that.
So when you were a kid, you could kill with that.
Yeah. No, I taught my parents into buying some Super 8 camera back in the days.
Okay. Oh yes, and you used it. You made a horror film.
Yeah, something like that.
Vízi pisztoly azt a zsebinek a szemébe is belelő, a bőre felé
This looks like a 486 to me, or Pentium 1 maybe, AT. Turbo. It's got the turbo button that slows it down. Nice. Sound card as well. Oh, there was a room bot thing in the back of my van still, which of yours has been there for about 2 months.
It is. It's cleaning the van now.
It's just lying there. The brick game.
Oh, this is probably Tetris.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably something like that.
The orb is the orb still here?
Orb?
The orb thing. No, it isn't. The game console.
Oh.
Without
Is it what? Oh.
For a drum set.
Oh, well, I'm looking at the thing in front of it.
Yeah, I don't know what the cowbell is doing there, but
No, I was looking at the multimeter.
oh, we were looking at different things here.
Yeah. What's this thing? What is this? Ooh.
This is old.
Yeah. That's like the one that Hassan had.
If you get it for fiber.
Yeah. Este. Es uno.
Este es 5.
No, cinco. Tres. Okay, cuatro. It says it's 5 and that's it.
Remember 5?
I've spent all my money today, man.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, 5's okay. We can have a play with that.
Wait.
What is this? Okay. So 5.
We got a new multimeter.
We got a new multimeter.
This is FUSB.
Oh yeah. Oh my! Detlef demolishes everything. Look at that. One multimeter, €5.
Probably better than the one we got from China.
Probably.
Ich sehe schwarze Briefmarken. Schwarze Briefmarken.
Sichas de mim, sichas
Oh, Esther.
de mim.
Yeah, but Pavel, no.
Sichas de mim e cara disco. Não tem. Sichas de mim não tem.
Nah.
Queres?
No. No. Esther Samana? No, de nuevo.
Perfecto.
Probably. Possible.
Vale, estás durmiendo, hombre, venga. Está el jefe mañana llamándote.
Okay, so that was a look around the flea market, the car boot sale down here in Maspalomas. We're just heading down towards Holiday World now. You'll see in a minute where we are. So if you want to come here sometime, you should be able to find us quite easily. Had quite a successful week this week, I think. Quite a few things bought there. Some just for fun, some because, well, they were interesting. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Ciao for now, everyone.
Don't fall over there.
Yeah, you were coming at me quite fast then.
I want to get rid of this.